Now we're back and we're continuing part C of question 2 of the CSEC Mathematics January 2024 paper. Alright, this was the work that we did before. I don't think we'll need these, so let's erase them. So now, what they say in part 3, solve a pair of simultaneous equations in 1 and 2. Show all working. By the way, what are the marks? 1 mark to show this, 1 mark to show this, but the simultaneous equation, 3 marks. And that will be the end of the question when we finish. End of question 2. Well, let's look at it. What we have is 2a plus 5b equals 171, right? And 7a plus 8b equals 342. All right. Let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. Now, when it comes to simultaneous equations, you can use 4 main methods to solve them. You can use elimination, substitution, matrices, or graph. All right. We're going to use elimination here. Now, the thing is, when you use elimination to solve, remember, you can always add 2 equations to get a third equation. You can always subtract 2 equations to get a third equation. You can always multiply an equation by a number to get another equation. You can always divide an equation. Well, multiply and divide, same thing, right? It's just that you're multiplying by 1 over a number. But you can multiply an equation by a number to get another equation. Now, if you add both equations, remember, to eliminate means to get rid of. To make A disappear or B disappear. Because your problem is that you have one equation in 2 unknowns up here. Can't be solved that way. You have one equation in 2 unknowns down here. Still can't be solved that way. What you need is one equation in 1 unknown. So you need to get rid of the A or get rid of the B. Get rid of the A, you have the B alone. Or get rid of the B, you have the A alone. So how are you going to deal with this? Let's see now. Suppose you add equation 1 and equation 2. What would happen? Well, if you do that, you're going to have equation 1 added. 2a plus 7a gives you 9a. A would still be there. If you add 5b and 8b, 8 and 5 is 13, 13b. B would still be there. So you cannot get rid of A or B by adding them. Suppose then you subtract, since equation 2. So you had equation 1 plus equation 2 and it didn't help you. You still have A and you still have B. Suppose you subtract them. Since equation 2 has the larger numbers, suppose you say equation 2 minus equation 1, what would happen? 7a minus 2a would be 5a. You still have A. Alright? Plus 8b minus 5b is 3b. You still have B. Equal 2 minus 1 is, you say 1, 4 minus 7. Or 1 from this 7, 2 minus 1. Alright. The idea is that you still have B and A and B. So you still did not manage to eliminate A nor B. So what you're going to do? Idea. Suppose I want to eliminate A. I notice that if I multiply, say, equation 1 multiply by 7. 2 sevens 14a. And if I say equation 2 multiply by 2, 2 7 14a, this will give me two new equations. Call this equation 3 and this equation 4. I would have equation 3 with a 14a, and I would have equation 4 with a 14a. So to eliminate a, all I would need to do is subtract equation 3 and 4, and a would disappear. So let's work with that. Equation 1 by 7. 7 by 2 gives you 14, 14a, plus 7 by 5b gives you 35b equal 7 by 171. Let's just use a calculator to save some amount of time. So here, this is 7 times 171 gives us 1197. So that's going to be 1197. Let me write it further up here. 1197. That's equation 3. See that? And then 2 sevens 14, that's 14a, plus 2 8, 2 times 8b, 2 8 16, so that's 16b, equals 2 times 342. So 2 times 342 would give you 2 times 342 equals 684. So you have 684 here. This is equation 4. See that? Now, I can say equation 3 minus equation 4. What happened? 14 minus 14. That's 14a minus 14a, that's 0a. A is gone, you know. I didn't have to write the 0a. Alright, but a is gone. Plus 35 minus 16 is what? That's going to be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 9. 1. 19b. See that? So, I have 19b there. So, this is equal to, and then I subtract these. Let's just subtract them. 7 minus 4, that's 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 11 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 5. 513. So here, 19b equals 513. So b, if I divide both sides by 19, 19 will cancel itself on the left hand side of the equal sign. 513 divided by 19 on the right hand side of the equal sign. So 513 divided by 19 will give us our answer. So we have 513 over 19 equals 27. So B is equal to 27. See that? Now that we know B, we can substitute B in equation 1, 2, 3, or 4. Anyone we want. Suppose we use equation 1. Equation 1 says 2a plus 5b equal 171. So we have 2a plus 5b equal 171. We substitute b here because we know what b is. B is 27. So we have 2a plus 5 times 27 equals 171. So 2a plus 5 by 27 is what? 5 7 35 Bring down the 5, carry 3, 5 2 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 135 equal 171, right? So 2a is equal to 171 minus 135, right? So 171 minus 135 is what we get there. So 171 minus, what's it, 135, 135 equals 36. And then this is 36. So 2a equals 36. So a would be, divide both sides by 2, we have 36 over 2, which is 18. So a is 18, b is 27. So a equals 18, b equals 27. And we have our answers there.